Have you ever found yourself stuck in airplane mode on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 device and couldn't figure out how to turn it off? Well, worry not, because I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's locate the airplane mode setting on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 device. It's usually found in the Action Center, which is that little icon in the taskbar that looks like a message bubble. Once you're there, you'll see a bunch of quick settings, and among them is the Airplane Mode button. Step 2. Turning off airplane mode. Now, if your airplane mode is turned on, you'll want to click on it to turn it off. It's as simple as that. See? Easy peasy. But wait, there's more. Step 3. Alternative method. If for some reason you can't access the Action Center, no worries. You can also turn off airplane mode through the Settings app. Just head over to Settings, then click on Network and Internet. Look for the airplane mode option and toggle it off. Simple, right? And there you have it, folks. Whether you prefer the Quick Action Center method or the slightly more detailed settings route, turning off airplane mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10 is a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.